guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and this time round is from Gaston Luga. So there is gonna be something exciting inside, which is their new item that you have to pre-order to get it, and some other things as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First off, I really like the packaging because it fits everything in it, and there are 3 items inside actually. But let's open the main item first, which is the one that needs to pre-order. And yeah, if it looks a little bit messy inside, it's because I already opened it up and used it. So first up, we have one of my favorite, which is their new item, the Lily Hetero in pink color. It comes in different shades, but I choose the one in pink because I wanted to go a little bit more adventurous instead of my usual like color choice like black and white. So yeah, I really love my choice. It's really cute. There's so many compartments and it's just super useful. I'll show you guys a close-up now so you guys can get all the details about this bag. So this is the latest collection, Lily Hetero in pink color. It comes in different shades as well. So that's how the logo looks like. I really love how many compartments it have. So over here it's one compartment where you can put your coin or whatever you need to access easily. And then there is this layer where it's clipped together for you to hold easily. If you open it up, then you can open up the second compartment, which is over here. And then when you open up, you can put your laptop in the inner corner for safety protection. And outside you can put other things as well. And at the side, you can put water bottle. It has like 2 water bottle placement area, which is great. And at the back, there's another compartment as well. I know, right? Wow. So you can use it as a backpack as well, or as a hand carry, depending on which works better for you. And other than that, there's this back layer that says Gaston Luga, and you can usually fit your luggage on it, so you can put your luggage together with this and pull it together, so it's super convenient. So yeah, I love it. I'll show you guys how you can style it now. You can style it either as a hand carry like this with the clip on together at the top, or you can style it as a backpack. I really love this idea and how versatile it is. So it's like a price of 2 bags for 1. So yeah. So next up is something that I really need, which is their toiletries, or I would like to call it the makeup pouch. It comes in 2 colors, which is the black or the pink color. I decided to go for the darker shade because I wanted to use it as a makeup pouch. If you want to like bring it out as a small bag, it's also a great idea because it can fit in so many things and it's super spacious as well. I'll show you guys a close-up now so you guys can get a clearer idea. So you can find this under their accessory section known as the GL toiletry bag. So this is how it looks like. I really love how smooth it is, and yeah, when you open it up, inside it's really spacious. I can put tons of makeup inside. And I love that there is an inner compartment as well, so you can put your key or your coins or whatever you need. And yeah, I love that the inner lining is black as well, so I don't have to worry that you'll get dirty easily. The other color available will be in pink color, so yeah. So lastly is something that I often use as well, which is a card holder. It comes in many different colors, but I choose this one in darker red because I really love how it looks. And yeah, it's really cute, and it comes in many different compartments, so you can really put cards, and in the middle you can put cash as well. So it's really useful. I'll show you guys a clearer close-up view now as well. So this can also be found under the accessory section. So this is a card holder which I often use, and it comes in 4 different shades, and it has tons of compartments. I think you can put up to like 6 cards. And in the middle you can put your key, your money, your coin, and it's just super useful, and it feels super soft and smooth as well, and I think I'll use it really often. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.